Hey guys, Coach Pippin here from Pippin Performance, and welcome to the Fit Project, your weekly workouts designed to help you be strong, be mobile. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel below so you get the latest workouts as they're posted. Jen is joining me today for a quick total body workout, and this is all about blasting the entire body in about 15 minutes. It may be quick, but by the end of this, your blood should be flowing. The only equipment you're going to need is one medium dumbbell or kettlebell and a Swiss ball. Today's workout includes down dog leg taps, spinal cars, 1.5 rep goblet squats, 3-way shoulder raises, and Swiss ball leg curls. All right guys, let's get started. So we're gonna have Jen get into the push-up position. So your feet are gonna be maybe a little bit wider than shoulder width. And so now she's going to push her hips up and back so she's in the down dog position. From here, she's gonna take her right hand and she's going to tap her left foot, come back down to the push-up, and then push right back. We're gonna do 10 reps and then switch sides. Nice and smooth, keeping your abs nice and engaged. You don't want to get too much of a sway back here. Keep it nice and packed. Head's always in neutral. Looking good. We're just kind of getting everything prepped and ready to go. Good job, Jen. Good job. Good. Finish up. Excellent. All right, now we're going to go to the other side. So now, same thing. We're going to push back, left hand to right foot for 10. 1. Good. Don't let those hips go right there. You're going to have a tendency to let your hips drop. Don't let that happen. Keep them nice and high. Good. Excellent. Just really trying to stay everything nice and packed. You're pushing back into that, feeling everything open up on your backside. Get a little bit of core engagement by reaching for that back foot. Good. Keep those hips high right there. Good, and relax. All right, guys, now we're going to get into a spinal car. So blood should already pump a little bit, and now we're going to do some spine care. So we're going to first get in the quadruped position. She's going to go into scared cat, so she's going to try to push everything up, 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 and we're going to hold this position. So she's trying to take her chin almost between her knees to open up all these vertebrae. We're going to do 3 reps, and we're going to think like the elevator is going up, trying to articulate one vertebrae at a time, and then we'll reverse it. Let's begin. We're going to start here, nice and slow, nice and slow. We're just trying to go really smooth. You can see this elevator is going up her spine, and now she's trying to pinch her thoracic together. She's tapped that out, and now she's going to go into her cervical. She's going to pause here. From this position, it's like you're trying to take the back of your head to your butt, and now we're going to reverse, taking the chin down. Act like you're trying to drive your chin up through your upper back, and you can see how she's starting to expand all these vertebrae one by one. And now she's going to return to that cat position. Hold here for a breath. We're going to do 2 more down and back. And repeat. Back slower. Good. Pushing down, 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 all the way through. And tap into that neck. Take a breath here or 2. And now slowly reverse. Good cue is think like you're driving that chin straight up, trying to push this as high to the ceiling as possible. Now, if you've never done this before, you're going to get lost. That's totally fine. Maybe do it next to a mirror so you can kind of see where you're going. Looks good. Last rep here. We're going to go all the way through. Good. Try to squeeze the back of the head to the tailbone. Excellent. And now slowly reverse. Now, most likely, you're not going to have the same range that Jen has. She's got a really, really mobile spine, which is a good thing. But just keep practicing and try to do these every once in a while, and you'll start to get the hang of it. And relax. Perfect. All right, next up, guys, we got a nice little variation in terms of our rep for our goblet squat. So we're going to have Jen grab the kettlebell. We're going to do what we call a 1.5 rep here. And all that means is we're essentially, everything is going to be a 1.5 rep. We're going to do this for 10. So we're going to have Jen slowly descend all the way to the bottom of the squat. She's going to pause here. She's going to come up halfway, hold. She's going to go all the way back down, hold, and now burst up. That's 1 rep, guys. We got to do 9 more of those for a total of 10. Up to half, pause, down, all the way up. That's 2. Back down, hold, half, down, all the way up. 3. If you can, try to make sure you pause in each position. Good. 4. Excellent. All the way down, halfway, down, all the way. Good. Halfway home, guys. Half, up. 4 more. All the way down. Good, down, slow down. Everybody's probably going to be going a little fast here. It's okay. Just do the best you can. Boom, 3 more. Down, half, down, hold, down smooth. 2 more. Right there. Down, back up. Last one. Let's get a good pause. Come up, half pause. Down, pause, and all the way up. Perfect. Good job, guys. Go put that down. It's an easy way with those 1.5 reps to add extra intensity without increasing the load. So if you've already maxed out how many reps you can do with a certain weight, try the 1.5 reps. Just another way to get a little bit more intensity. All right, next up we're going to get into our 3-way shoulder series. So we're going to have Jen face me. She's going to go into a hinge position. She's going to have her arms resting down by her legs. She's going to make sure everything's nice and engaged. So we're going to do what we call a Y, a T, and a V. We're going to do 5 reps each. She's going to go unloaded, but if you want to go loaded, that's totally fine. This is the Y position. Everything's nice and flat. She's going to come back down, turn her palms out, and now she's going to go up to the side, hold. That's the T position. She's going to come back down. Now she's going to turn her palms back in, and she's going to take her hands straight back and hold. And this is our V position. This is a quick way we can get all 3. So we're going to do 5 reps total, so 4 more. Let's go straight up to the Y, down, to the T, down, to the V. Good, and down. And you can feel free to add load here if you want to. If you do, go super light. I would highly recommend make sure you do body weight first, then go 2.5s. But notice she's not moving anything else. A lot of people are going to want to jerk. They're going to want to move their spine. When it comes to shoulders, guys, you don't need a lot of load. Treat those guys with respect, nice and smooth. Back up to a T. Good, down. And even without load, I can assure you, your shoulders are burning right now. Good, right back up. Good, down. And finish up with that V. Excellent. All right, now we're going to get into Swiss ball leg work. We're going to have Jen put her hips here, her head here, feet on the end. So it's just a good way to blow up your glutes, a little bit of hamstrings. We're going to put the ball here. So right now we're going to take our arms a little away from our pockets. We're going to start to drive those guys down. So use that kind of your balance. It's going to help you create a radiating tension. Next up, we're going to roll our pelvis so our back is flat. And now, before you start to drive your heels into the ball to slowly get your butt up first. Own this position. If you're all over the place, just stay right here for a little bit. Once you got that, you're going to continue to drive your heels down as you start to pull your heels toward you, and your butt's going to rise just a little bit. We're going to do 10 reps. Let's go. Hold, out smooth. Notice how Jen's hips are pretty much staying perfectly still. The more advanced you get, you can let your hips come all the way up. Just don't want to let your hips drop too much. Excellent, good. That's 5, halfway. Good, hold here, let's readjust, pull that ball a little bit closer to you. Your feet are starting to slide. That's gonna happen for everybody, just adjust, it's okay. And then pick up right where you left off. Let's go. Good, 3 more. 2. Good, 1 more. Let's get a good squeeze and hold it, squeeze the back of your legs. Slowly let it out and slowly lower down. Awesome job. That's round 1, guys. We got 1 more round.
Oh, man.
Let's get back to that down dog, leg taps. So start out in that push-up position again. Feet just a little outside shoulder width. Good. Make sure we're nice and bracing our abs. We don't want a huge sway, so lift your hips up a little bit, Jen. And now brace those abs. Perfect. Good. We're going to go right hand to left leg for 10. Good. Nice and slow. When you start getting tired, you're going to want to speed up. Resist the urge, be in the moment, almost kind of enjoy the suck a little bit. It's okay. It'll be over soon enough. Good, nice and smooth. Good, she's doing a great job keeping her spine nice and neutral. Good, not bad, looks good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, let's switch sides. Left hand to right foot. Push those hips back into down dog and reach that hand. Now, you might not be as flexible or as mobile as Jen, that's totally fine. Just hit whatever part of your leg you can reach. If you're really flexible, you can get all the way down to that foot. Not so much, you might just be hitting your upper thigh. Either way works, you're still getting good work in. Good, keep those hips high, come with a push-up right there. Good. Good, last one, guys, get that good reach. Excellent, come on down, now to quadruped position. So, now we're gonna go spinal carve. Take the time to slow down here. This is kind of like the recovery before we get back into those 1.5 goblet squats. So let's first start all the way up in scared cat. Good. Start your pelvis, start working your way up nice and slow. Slow, slow, slow. Imagine that elevator is just riding up your spine, and wherever the elevator is at, that's the vertebrae you're trying to move. Excellent. Get a good pause and reverse. The more you can move your spine, the less back problems you're going to have. Okay, guys? For years, we've coached and coached and coached trying to keep people as rigid as possible. That hasn't done very well. We need to mobilize our spine on a regular basis. The better I can get each vertebrae to move, the less I'm asking vertebrae that do move really well to do their work. Let's try to get all of our spine to come to the party so we can keep our spine nice and healthy. Nice and slow on this last one. Good. Reach, reach, reach. Try to squeeze butt to head, head to butt. Excellent. Go real slow on the way back. Nice and smooth. Really try to push those vertebrae up, 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 up. Hold here for 2 breaths. Big inhale, big exhale. Good. Enjoy this moment before you get back into those squats. And relax. Awesome job, guys. Now let's get back into those 1.5 goblet squats. Grab your kettlebell. Let's get back. We're going to go 10. So now that you're pumping a little bit, resist the urge just to blow through those stopping points. Get a pause, get tight, and then go. Let's begin all the way down. Pause, half, down, up. A little slower on the descent. Pause, half, down, 2. Pause, half, down, 3. Excellent. Pause, half, 4. Good. Right there. Half. Halfway home, guys. All the way down. Half. Really try to find that same halfway point. It's going to be a little all over the place the first couple times you do this. That's okay. Just do the best you can. Down. Good. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Make sure we stick those sticking points. Half. Good. Excellent. Last one, guys. Half. Pause. And burst. Awesome job, guys. Put the kettlebell down. So let's get back into that hinge position, and we're going to do our 3-way shoulder. So once again, 5 reps. We're going to hit that Y, come down. We're going to hit that T, come down, and then we're going to go hit the V. Hold and down, nice and smooth. Try to keep your head as still as possible, especially when you go into the Ys and the Ts. You're going to jut your head forward and give yourself the illusion that you got more range than you have. Don't do that. Just go nice and smooth. Especially if you go slow, that should really show you where your actual range is. Excellent. Good. Come to T. Good. And V. Good. Everything should be nice and pumping right now. We got a good little breath going. T. And to V. Excellent. All right, guys, let's finish up with those Swiss ball leg curls. Get back on the ground. Good. Feet up on the ball. So if you have a problem, sometimes when people feel this way too much in their calves, and it's a hamstring and glute exercise. If you're having that problem, you just simply pull your toes as hard as you can, and that'll cause those calves not to be firing so much. Spread the hands out a little bit. Good. Drive those guys into the ground. Tuck your pelvis, back's nice and flat. And let's first drive your heels into the ball. Hold this position. If you're doing this right, you're going to feel a ton of stuff in your hamstring and a little bit of glute, and that's how you know you're in the right spot. All right, guys, let's get 10. Keep driving your heels down as you pull toward you. Keep the hip perfectly still. Awesome job, Jen. Looks good. 3. 4. Go. 5. Go. 6. Got 4 more, guys. Finish strong. It's the last thing we got to do. 3 more. Good. 2 more. Good. Last one, take it up, get those hips up, hold it, hold it, hold it, and really slow, really slow. Awesome job, guys. Look and see, it doesn't take much time to get a full total body workout in. We use minimal equipment, her blood is pumping, she's definitely breathing, and she got a good little workout. Thank you so much for joining us, guys, and as always, remember to be strong, be mobile.